Look what I've got. 2021 F-150 Platinum. First Platinum I've gotten. Thought that XLT was nice, man. This Platinum's a whole nother ball game. Absolutely beautiful. They did really good on the Platinum front clip. You know, it's always got that brushed aluminum look. Daytime running lights. They're offering this on the XLT now, which I think is great. This one's really well loaded up. Star white. All the bells and whistles. Thing I think that's really neat about these new Platinums, you can drop that tailgate. It's got the work surface right here. Nice thing is I can hit this button again from my fob and up goes the tailgate. New rear clip. You can see they updated the tailgate there a little bit. One big difference that I've noticed, when you hit that unlock button, now the power deployable running boards come out. I think that's slick, and you can see they're wheel-to-wheel running boards. They don't just stop at the cab, so you've got a little bit of extra foothold right over there so you can get up in the bed of your truck if you need to. Now, when I lock it, they close up, but if you look right down here, there's kind of like a foot toggle. Do you see that? So what I can do is I can come up to this, kick it, and it opens up. So then I can go do it again, and it closes. One of the many added amazing features of these 2021s. I'm going to show you all kinds of stuff. You can see the big difference on the 21s. They've got this trim piece here that they're offering on the Super Duties. Now it's in the F-150s. New mirrors. Cameras right here instead. And I don't know if I'm doing something different here or what, but I swear, if you have this key fob in your pocket, maybe I'm imagining things. If you have this key fob in your pocket and you walk up to the truck, I think it automatically unlocks now like the Lincolns do. Yeah, see, so I just walked up to it. I didn't do anything. It unlocked. The running boards came out right there. So that's just something new and improved, I guess, for 2021. I'm learning about all this stuff as we go along. You can see the new interior. It's really well trimmed. It's got these kind of like accent pieces right here. I don't think I'm crazy about, but I'm sure I could learn to love it. These have got the nice headrests with the speakers in them. Massive screen. Massive roof as always. I'm gonna jump in this thing and take it down the road and kind of show you guys some of the stuff on the inside. It's a little dark in here. These videos don't come out as good when the doors are all down. So we're gonna run this thing down the road and I'm gonna show you a quick couple pieces, what I like, what I don't like. This truck is here and available. If y'all are interested, you're welcome to give me a call. I'll put my 1-800 number down below. We're gonna jump on the road and show you what this thing's got. So here we are in our 2021 Platinum, and there's a lot that's been changed. There's a lot that's been upgraded. The first thing you're going to notice is this big 12-inch screen. This thing is massive. I can't remember if the spec is 12 inches or 12.9, but whatever, it's huge compared to what it was. They're going to offer this in the Bronco, the big boy Bronco, when it comes out in May, and then they're also, I imagine they're going to offer this in the Super Duty come 2023 when they do their mid-model revamp. So big touch screen. As you can see, it's saying my phone's not aligned. There's a wireless charger down here that I've got plugged in, so that's really nice. But as you can see, you got your audio, phone, navigation. This screen and system is so much more robust, and it's really quick to respond. You know, sometimes on the Sync 3 it was a little laggy, so this has been a big improvement in my eyes. In the 360 camera game, you can see huge screen viewing area here. I can even zoom in depending on which area I want to look at. So if I want to look at the back left corner of my truck, I can zoom in. If I want to look at the back right, I can zoom in, right? If I want to look up front, I can see my tire track lines. It's pretty impressive, right? So when I go into reverse, you're going to see the same thing except the rear view. So I think that's pretty slick. This has the auto park brake too. So like if you just let off the truck, it's going to stay parked. All right, like if you let off the brake, you're not going anywhere until you give it gas. So that's pretty cool. You know, everybody's been talking about this new gear shifter here. So when I put this truck in park, I can hit this button, fold this down. They've got this new work surface. I can flip this over, bang. I can put my laptop right here. I can write my job orders or bid jobs right here. Pretty slick. When I'm done, close it up, I'm ready to go. If I need to charge my laptop or my cell phone, I've got my 110 right here. I've got another 12 volt right here. A lot of people think this is some kind of charge port. It's not. It's just a glove box opener, but that's there if you need it. I can get it to stay down. So now I'm gonna put my gear shifter back up. We're gonna drive, and we're off to the races. This Platinum's got the Bang & Olufsen Unleashed kit, so I think it's an 18 speaker sound system if I remember right. If you see up here, you can see speakers in the roof. There's speakers in the headrest here. You'll see the Bang & Olufsen logo on the front. Pretty slick. This truck's got adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitors, the whole 9 yards for the safety features. One thing I really like sitting in the cockpit of this truck, if you look at the gauges here, the gauges are all digital now. There's no analog anything. It looks like one big LED TV screen here, which is really impressive. It's kind of minimalist. I've made the comparison before. It kind of reminds me of a spaceship. There's so much going on here. This truck has the Active Park 2.0 Assist Prep Package. I think that's the right verbiage. So at the end of this year, Ford is going to release an update that you're going to be able to pay for as a service, and it's going to basically make your truck a self-driving truck. I think they said there's 100,000 miles of road that they already have mapped, highways and things like that. So one day when Ford says so, you'll be able to wake up, pay for that subscription service, and then your truck will drive itself. A lot of people also don't realize there's a sensor here, here, and then over here. And what those are sensors to read your facial expressions and check which way you're looking when you're driving a truck. Those are going to come into play when this new self-driving tech comes out. So I'm going to get out here on the open road. I don't know what it is about these 2021s, but the 3.5 liter EcoBoost with the 10-speed transmission feel like they're so much more torquey. I had a 2020 model that was a 10-speed with a 3.5, and it just did not feel the same. It seems like the throttle response is quicker with these. I don't know why. It could just be all in my head. I'm not really sure, but it's impressive. Now, I will say this truck will dang near drive itself already. So when I put this truck into cruise, right, and I have my lane departure on, if you look, this truck, it's not bouncing in the lanes like it normally would. It's actually slowly and evenly keeping me in the lane. Like, I'm not touching this truck, and it will start to prompt me to put my hands back on the wheel, right? But if I go, see how it says canceled because I didn't put my hands on the wheel quick enough. If I turn this back on and do it again with the blind spot detectors on, or not the blind spot, with the lane departure, watch as I let go, coming around this corner. And this is not even the self-driving capability that's been released yet. This is just what they're doing right now. So you can only imagine what they're going to be capable of later on down the road. I was blown away the first time I drove this truck, and I just wanted to show that to you guys because it's amazing what we've come to. So, and we're only going up from here. So while we're cruising down the road the rest of the way, I'll just run you through a couple of these things. You've got the Pro Trailer Backup Assist that's been available for quite some time. Integrated Trailer Brake Controller is here. You've got your four-wheel drive selectors here, but now Ford's also incorporated drive modes, right? So kind of like the Explorers and stuff like that, you can switch to sand and rock mode, you know, snow, slippery, wet, things like that. And it all toggles right through here. And you can see on my center screen above my wheel here, it's got this really cool animation that shows you, like, now we're in normal. Now we're in slippery, deep snow, mud or ruts. So it's really impressive. And you can even see the speedometer is changing based on what driving mode we're in. And now, when you go to sport, gives you all the power, quick throttle response, snap through the gears a lot quicker. Sport mode is always the best mode, in my opinion. Not the best for fuel economy. So that really kind of concludes our little run through of this truck. We're going to run down the road a little bit further. This truck is here and available. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, feel free to leave a comment in the comments section. Feel free to reach out to me directly if you want to. I'll put my 1-800 number here at the bottom if you've got any input at all. We'd love to hear from you. So this is Austin with Hunt Ford. We're at 625 Garvin Lane in Franklin, Kentucky. We're right off I-65, right off exit 6. You can see us from the interstate. We really appreciate your all's time. We thank you for watching, and we hope you have a good day.